Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Ads, the creative. Today we're going to talk about exactly that, getting creatives done and shot for your YouTube TrueView ads, these skippable ads that occur before the videos that you want to watch and you can't skip them for the first 5 seconds. The thing is with these type of ads is that there's not many agencies or individual advertisers out there that traditionally have the know-how and the skills to be able to create these video ads, okay? But that's a myth, all right? A lot of people think it's hard, but the way that we teach it, the way that we do it, makes it easy and very well worth it, because the less people that can do this, the better. In my opinion, there's going to be less competition, all right? The first thing is, do the videos yourself if you can. If you own an agency or you're advertising on behalf of your own product or brand or even your clients, then the cheapest and fastest way to do this is set up a video much like I'm doing here and have a go, all right? It may not be the best video in the world and you may be shy in front of the camera, but sometimes you've got to put yourself out of the comfort zone, and it's worth using a video like this to test and see if it works and gain some experience. What's the worst that can happen, okay? The second thing is, if you don't want to do it yourself, then you can hire actors for your brand, okay? We have a checklist. If you want to keep watching this video, at the end we'll have a checklist which will show you exactly how to do this, how to hire actors, how to give them release forms so you can use their content. It's a complete resource guide to getting the creative done, okay, and how to do this, and we'll give that to you below the video. There'll be a link down there. Feel free to help yourself. It's going to be very useful for you. So you can hire actors for your brand or your client's brand. If you go over to somewhere like Fiverr.com or some of these platforms, there's loads of them out there. We'll put them all in this checklist that I spoke to you about just then. Then you can write an engaging script which you can give to these people, and they'll stand up and deliver you a great video, a TrueView video, all right? It doesn't take that much. All you need is an engaging script, and these professionals will take care of the rest for you. The second last thing is graphics work, all right? Someone's standing in front of the video like this and they're talking about, the pain, the problem, the solution, credibility, a call to action at the end. Sometimes it's hard to kind of point at the button or where people are going to be clicking, all right? But if you have engaging, logos or countdown timers and arrows, all of that type of stuff, then it's going to help people become more engaged with this video and increase the click-through rate and therefore decrease your cost per lead. That's important, and you can get that done on somewhere like Upwork. There's loads of video editors out there, and you can get a video shot, you can get actors, you can get your graphics done, all for less than 50 bucks a video, which is super cheap. And remember, there's not many people doing this. It's a big opportunity. And the last thing is, you need to refresh the creative, okay? We've seen this so many times where we'll run ads with one particular actor and we'll be thinking, okay, the best we can get is 20 bucks per lead, and let's tweak things further. And then someone will have the bright idea to go get a new actor. It could be a woman versus a man, or whatever, an English person versus an American person, different accents, whatever it is. That is going to make a huge difference to your cost per lead, and we often see them cut in half just by using a different actor. It can be the same script but a different actor. It depends who your audience is going to engage with, okay? So if you enjoyed this and you want a checklist on how we do the creative and how we get this done super cheap to minimize that barrier of entry, this hard thing to do up here, then there's a checklist below this video. Download it, enjoy it, and you can be running TrueView ads on YouTube, no time at all. Catch you later.